In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account without a phone number, step by step. This is a simple process if you follow along carefully, and I'll walk you through everything from opening the sign up page to finishing the account setup on your desktop. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to accounts.google.com/signup. This is the official Google account sign-up page, and it's where the process begins. Once the page loads, you'll see the form for creating a new account. Now, enter your first name and last name in the fields provided. Make sure the details are accurate, because this is the name that will be associated with your account. After filling that in, click Next to Continue. On the next screen, Google will ask for your birth date and gender. Select your month, day, and year, then choose the gender option that applies to you. Once everything looks correct, click Next again. Now you'll be asked to choose a username. You can either pick one from Google's suggestions or create your own. Try to choose something simple, memorable, and easy to type. If your preferred username is already taken, Google will suggest alternatives, and you can keep trying until you find one that works. After that, click Next. Next, enter your password and confirm it by typing it again in the second field. Make sure you use a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols if possible, so your account stays secure. Once both passwords match, click Next. At this point, Google may ask you to verify using your phone. In this method, you'll need to take your phone and scan the QR code to verify the account. Hold your phone up to the QR code on the screen and follow the instructions on your device to complete verification. This step helps Google confirm the account setup. After that, come back to your desktop browser to finish the rest of the steps. Google may show you a few final setup screens, such as account recovery options, privacy settings, or terms and conditions. Review each screen carefully and continue through the prompts until your account is fully created. Once the setup is complete, your new Gmail account will be ready to use. You can now sign in, send emails, and start using Google services with your new account. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.